In a dusty old saloon down a lonesome trail, a cowboy sits, his face worn and pale, with a six-string guitar and a story to tell of a life on the range where the wild hearts dwell. He talks about the sunsets, the cattle and the rain, how he's patched up his heart through the joy and the pain. With dusty boots and a Stetson hat, he's found his way and never looked back. He's got a cowboy heart, wild and free, riding through the plains of eternity. With every mile and each new start, there's a song in his soul. He's got a cowboy heart. From Amarillo to the edge of Tucson, he's chased the winds and rode until dawn.